In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sum a column in Notion. Start by opening Notion in your browser and signing in if you're not already logged in. Then open the page that contains the database or table where you want to calculate the total. You should be looking at a table with the column you want to add up. Before you continue, make sure the column you're summing is a number column. This matters because Notion can only calculate totals correctly for columns that store numeric values. If the column contains text instead of numbers, the sum option won't work the way you expect. Now click the column name, such as number, for the column you want to total. This opens the column menu, where you can manage settings for that property. From that menu, click Calculate. In Notion, the Calculate option is used to run simple summaries like totals, averages, counts, and other quick calculations for a column. Next, click More Options if that appears in the calculation menu. Depending on your Notion view or version, some calculation choices may be grouped there. After that, select Sum. As soon as you click it, Notion will calculate the total of all the values in that column. At this point, look at the bottom of the column. You should now see the summed value displayed there. That's your total for that entire column. If you don't see a total, double-check that the column is set to number and that the cells contain actual numeric values instead of text. A common beginner mistake is typing numbers into a text property, which looks similar on screen but won't calculate properly. And that's how you sum a column in Notion. Thanks for watching.